Today we present the functionality and various offerings of our chisel device set featuring vibration and hammer functions. The basic 9035 VH device is compact, comfortable and flexible. With a simple turn of the adjusting wheel underneath the handle, you can select either vibration or hammer function. This can be set in 9 stages, up to 2,600 strokes per minute. The different chisels can also be easily changed using the practical keyless drill chuck. Similar often use a fragile spring to clamp chisels. Hardset offers the basic 9035 VH device in combination with a vibration chisel set or the hammer chisel set. The vibration function is particularly suited to loose screws, while the hammer application is for more rough work. Both sets are delivered in a handy plastic case. The vibration chisel set includes 4 different chisels, a semicircular and circular vibration chisel and a 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch vibration chisel, each equipped with a hexagon socket. The latter 2 chisels are suited for use in combination with nut drivers and box end wrenches. The box end wrench is placed on the hexagon socket and the nut driver on the square of the chisel. While the chisel is vibrating and loosening the rust, the screw can be manipulated with a box end wrench until it is also loosened.
This is our 19-piece 3/8 inch drive socket set. Product code TT3819. It comes with 13 6-point sockets, from 8mm all the way up to 22mm. It has a 72-teeth ratchet handle, a 3-inch wobble extension, some adapters, and it also comes with a 10-inch spinner handle. Taking a look at one of our sockets in further detail, this is the 22mm socket. You will notice that all of our socketry are made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel and have a satin finish. The satin finish is especially good for added grip in oily environments, and each socket is individually marked for quick and easy identification. This is a 3/8 inch drive ratchet, and you will notice that it is a 72 teeth ratchet, which is from our latest generation of ratchets. The 72 teeth provide a working arc of 5 degrees, which makes these ratchets extremely good to use in confined spaces. It also has a quick release function on the back of the head, and with one press, the socket comes right out. The head also features a rotation disc on the back for changing direction, and again you will notice the satin finish for added grip in oily environments. The entire ratchet head is sealed to prevent dust and dirt from getting in, giving it a longer life. The ratchet has a slim design, which means it is fantastic in confined spaces. It also has a bi-material grip and is easy to service. Every tool has its own specific place, so if you ever lose a tool, you will know exactly which one is missing.
Tight Reach extension wrenches. Professional grade tools that save you valuable time and keep you from busting your knuckles. No more one click at a time and no more scarred knuckles. You're in a tight spot with your ratchet where a full swing isn't possible. With the Tight Reach, you bring the ratchet point out to where you have full rotation on your driver. That means better leverage and a larger degree of rotation for your ratchet, not to mention less chance of busting your knuckles. The Tight Reach comes in 4 existing models and can be used with your existing socket sets. Our lifetime warranty Pro-Line professional grade wrenches can be used with ratchet driver or impact wrenches. Our heavy-duty half-inch drive is the tool you need for working in agriculture or diesel mechanics. The 3/8 drive is perfect for all those tight places in the automotive industry. And our slim profile 1/4 inch professional Tight Reach can reach even the smallest spaces. Finally, our entry-level 3/8 DIY wrench is built for those do-it-yourself household jobs. Each Tight Reach mod comes with the adapters you need to get the job done. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a seasoned mechanic, anyone who has a socket set can benefit from having the Tight Reach extension wrenches. Save your time, save your nose with Tight Reach.
Hardset Product Management presents the cordless impact wrench 9212M-1, which combines strength and flexibility with small dimensions. In contrast to its pneumatic brothers that rely on a compressor and hose, the cordless impact wrench 9212M-1 can be used directly thanks to its flexible electrical energy source. With a loosening torque of 270 newton meters, our smallest cordless impact wrench is strong enough for a wide range of applications. The 9212M-1 has 3 power stages for tightening screws. You can view and adjust these at the base of the tool. The first stage, with a tightening torque of approximately 80 newton meters, is ideal for pre-tightening car tires. Its low weight of just 1.3 kilograms, including rechargeable battery, means the cordless impact wrench is not only easy and convenient to use, you can also carry it directly on your body without any problem using the belt clips attachable on both sides. The 9212M-1 also comes with a practical light, allowing the work area to be illuminated perfectly, even in poor lighting conditions. This can be activated by touching the operating switch. That means lighting is possible before starting the output and remains active for a few seconds even if the tool isn't used. The Hardset cordless impact wrench 9212M-1 is highly efficient and has a long service life thanks to a brushless DC motor.
The GearWrench 80944 232-piece mechanics tool set has over 100 standard and deep sockets in standard and metric sizes. Also included are 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive low profile teardrop head ratchets that will let you get into the tightest spots. This set features 24 original GearWrench standard and metric combination ratcheting wrenches. Their 72-tooth gear turns faster with just 5 degrees of swing. Also included are 3 chrome extensions, a magnetic bit driver with 30 bits, both standard and metric Allen brand hex keys, and a complete selection of hex, Torx, and eTorx bit sockets. Both the sockets and wrenches feature off-corner load technology to reduce fastener rounding. All of this in a sturdy storage case with 3 independent drawers, side flaps to lock them in place, and a steel hinge lid with a durable handle. Every tool in this set comes with a GearWrench lifetime warranty.
The 22-piece Master Quick Disconnect Toolkit from Orion Motortech is perfect for automotive AC fuel lines as well as transmission oil cooler lines. The kit is compatible with most Ford and Chevy GM models, and it comes equipped with 6 oil cooler line removers, 7 fuel line removers, ranging in sizes from 1/4 to 7/8 of an inch, 4 quick AC fuel line removers, 1 scissor type fuel line remover, 2-piece oil cooler line remover, fitting most Fords, 1 CF fuel line with hairpin connector, again fits most Fords, as well as a 5-piece rubber band and connect set. All this is packed neatly and securely in custom molded cases that are available in both blue and red. Tools like these are often overlooked, but as a professional mechanic, I can say with confidence that at some point you'll be working on one of these lines. And when you are, you'll be glad this kit is in your arsenal. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take a quick look and see how to use the scissor type fuel line remover. Here I have the fuel lines from a 2011 Chevy. Since the scissor tool works on a wide variety of applications, we'll use it here. Simply align the tool with the connector point, like so. Slide the tool into the connection, and boom, there you go. Try doing that with a pair of pliers. Spoiler alert, I have, and believe me, this is easier by orders of magnitude. Let's see how easy it is to disconnect the fuel line from this fuel filter on this 2002 Ford F-250. First, take off the safety clamp. Last time we used the scissor clamp, but this time I think we'll try one of the plastic pull-off tools. Locate the correct size for your application, slide it over the fuel filter line, then just slide it between the
Introducing the 10205 Tiger Tool Automotive C-Frame Socket Press. This press can be used for a number of different removal and installation jobs on various driveline and non-driveline related parts, such as universal and double cardan joints, wheel studs, and suspension bushings, just to name a few. Any socket with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch drive can be used in any combination for the use on virtually all cars, ATV, UTV, side-by-sides, light-duty trucks, and farm equipment. Manufactured from high-grade steel for strength and durability, the C-frame can tackle nearly any job with up to 2.5-ton capacity. Each of the components are machined from hardened, self-lubricated steel to help prevent galling and to ensure long life. Consistent with the rest of the Tiger tool line, the automotive C-frame socket press is made in North America with quality, reliability, and safety in mind.
The new PowerTech wheel arch reforming tool is designed to roll out damage on the wheel arch lip and adjacent panel. It is also used to roll back a wheel arch lip to give clearance when wider wheels and tyres are fitted. With wide tyres fitted to larger than standard wheels, the wheel arch lip can rub against the tyre when going over bumps or cornering. The vehicle should be jacked up or mounted securely on a ramp or lift. If working on the rear wheel arch, leave the handbrake off. The wheel arch reforming tool is fully adjustable to fit under the wheel arches of most cars and light commercials. Remove any wheel arch liner if fitted. If the vehicle uses tapered wheel nuts or bolts, then use the tapered adapter washers supplied. The hub flange design means that it can be fitted to 4 and 5 stud hubs. Tighten the wheel bolts and make sure the tool is mounted securely to the hub. And make sure that the inner panelwork is clean. On many modern cars, the rear wheel arch lip is bonded to the inner wing. This can sometimes make it difficult to lift the dented area from the outside. The tool is adjusted so that the head can be placed against the damaged area. As the wheel arch reforming tool is being moved steadily back and forth, the central T-bar is turned, which pushes the head against the panel. The PowerTech wheel arch reforming tool makes reprofiling wheel arch lips easy when fitting wider wheels and tyres. In this instance, the tyre is obviously going to rub the wheel arch lip as the suspension moves. The lip of the wheel arch is about 1/2 inch wide. The tool will be used to steadily roll back this lip and give the clearance required. Before the lip rolling process is started, the lip and panel are heated with a heat gun. This is to make sure that the paint on the wheel arch lip does not crack when being rolled. Steady pressure is applied by turning the T-bar as the tool is pushed back and forth, whilst the panel temperature is maintained by the heat gun. The head of the tool and the length of the shaft are now readjusted to start to push the lip out and away from the tyre. The wheel arch lip has now been smoothly rolled back. The use of the heat gun has ensured that the paint has not cracked. The wide alloy wheel can now move past the wheel arch lip without interfering or rubbing on the tyre. If further clearance is needed, the process can be continued. Steadily and carefully